Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Kodular Free AIA. Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple calculator app using Kodular. This calculator will perform basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Whether you are a beginner or just exploring Kodular, this step-by-step guide will make it super easy for you to follow along. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an awesome tutorial like this. Alright, let's dive into Kodular and start building our calculator. My name is Hifza, by the way, and I create Kodular apps. You can check those apps on kodularfreeaia.com. There you can find all the Kodular apps that I have created, and you can find AI free AIAs there. Alright, so let's open Kodular Creator and log in. I have already logged in, so just click create project and give it a name like my calculator. Alright, now let's move on to the next step where we'll design the user interface of our calculator. This is the part where we add buttons, text boxes and a result label so our app actually looks like a calculator. Firstly, we need a layout to organize everything neatly, so go to the layout section on the left and drag a vertical arrangement onto the screen. This will help us stack everything one below the other. Now let's add two text boxes where user will enter numbers. Go to the user interface and drag two text box components onto the screen. Rename them to whatever you like so we can identify them easily. Set their width to fit parent so they stretch across the screen, making it easier to type. Let's add the calculator buttons, plus, minus, multiplication and division. Go back to user interface and drag 4 buttons onto the screen. Rename them as you like. Change the text on each button to match the operation plus, minus, multiplication and division. Now we need a place to display the result, so let's add a label. Drag a label from the user interface section, rename it to result label, set the text to result so the user knows where the result will appear. And that's it. We now have a fully designed calculator layout. Your screen should now have 2 text boxes, 4 buttons and a label for the result. In the next step, we will add the logic to make this button actually perform calculation. Now that we have our calculator layout ready, it's time to bring it to life. In this step, we will add logic using Kodular's block section to make the buttons actually perform calculations. Let's start by switching to the block section. Click on the blocks tab at the top right of your screen. Now let's add the logic for the addition button. Click on button add in the left panel and drag the button click block onto the workspace. Next, we need to set the Dribbble result to show the sum. Go to label result and drag the set label result to block. Now we want to join text so the result look like result colon 10 instead of just 10. Go to the text section and drag the join block. Type result colon in the first empty space. Now let's actually calculate the sum. Go to math and drag the plus block. From the text box section, drag get textbox1.text and get textbox2.text into the plus block. And that's it. Now when we click the plus button, it will take the numbers from the text boxes, add them and display the result. Now let's repeat the same step for the subtract, multiplication and division button but using the appropriate math block. Use the minus block for subtraction, use the multiplication box for multiplication, use the divide block for division. Once all buttons have their logic, we are ready to test our calculator. Alright, we have built our calculator. Now let's test it. Click on connect at the top and select AIA companion. Open the Kodular companion app on your phone. Scan the QR code and your calculator will open instantly. Now let's enter two numbers, tap the buttons and see if the calculations work. If something isn't working, double check your blocks to make sure you are using the correct math operations and number conversions. And there you have it, a fully functional calculator made in Kodular. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below and let me know what other apps you would like me to create next. And if you are new here, subscribe to channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next tutorial. Keep creating and happy coding.